guys, and happy Sunday. What is today? Sunday, I think the 8th? No, the 7th. Yeah, happy October, Sunday the 7th. So guys, I'm on my way to the church, and this is what I'm wearing today. Outfit of the day. My little heels here, just a little pencil skirt. And I guess I'll bring you a word. I ate this morning, had a cup of coffee, some oatmeal with some sunflower seeds in them. So I'll see you guys in a few.
When he comes out and he can barely talk, but he know how to lie. It's a blood issue. It's a blood issue downtown. And when we look at the text, in the text it says that we had a woman who had a condition, a hemorrhaging for 12 years. She had a condition and an issue of blood. Her issue or her condition was a blood issue. And I was tripping on the fact that many of the issues that we're dealing with are just symptoms. Yeah, that depression that you may have is just a symptom. Yeah, certain things that you're dealing with is really a blood issue, or as Peter Scazzaro calls it, it's a home of origin issues. Yeah, because some of the stuff that I'm dealing with is because of what I gained from my mama and from my father. And here's the crazy thing, even if your father not in the house, you still get a little drop of him in there. You don't even know the brother, but you still got some of him in you.
Hey guys, back home, just wanted to show you real quick what the with this cabinet, well, the nightstand, what is it looking like? Can y'all tell the difference? Can you see it? I can tell the difference a little bit. We got a little bit more work to go. So yeah, so tomorrow is Monday, and I'm going to take the measurements from this, and I'm going to go get a piece of mirror for the top. Hope it's not that expensive. Hope it's not over $12, because if y'all remember, when I did the other cabinet, it was, I think the top part was 14. No, the 6 drawers were 14, and then the top was like almost $19. So that was kind of pricey to me. So I'm hoping and praying that I can get it and it doesn't cost that much, because yeah, don't nobody got it like that, y'all. Nobody got it like that. So yeah, I'm working on this. I think it's okay so far. I think we did a pretty good job, but we're gonna try to do it over a little bit more. So yeah, guys, that's all that's happening today, really. What else? I hope you guys enjoyed the little snippet of the service. We read from Mark 5. Let me make sure. I think it was 5 and 29. It says 5 and from chapter 5, 23 all the way down to like 34. It's the lady with the issue of blood, and the service was really, really good. What I got from it is like, no matter what you're going through, guys, we have to give it all to him. And anything that is disturbing your peace, you have to let it go, no matter what it is, whether it's sickness, people, or what have you. Let it go so you can have your peace. Okay? So I'll see you guys in the next segment of this video. And remember, happy Sunday. Hi everyone, I'm back. I thought I'll get back on here for a second while I'm taking my daily stroll. You gals, when you're at these parks or wherever you are, even in your neighborhood, be careful. Just be real visual of your surroundings at all times, because people are weird, especially, well, I'm just going to say it, men, they're weird. Any little thing they see, somebody's behind or some fronts, I'd be like, ugh, what is the problem? Like, you never seen that before. At a certain age, you ought to know better. Like, you haven't seen that before? Because you weird out people. You know, you make people, people fail to realize, like, you make them scared when you do that. I know it's a gentleman that I see all the time, really friendly guy, and it was so funny. One day we were just having a conversation and he was sharing with me that, you know, he's a big guy, he's tall, not fat, he's just a tall, bigger guy. And he's in good shape and stuff, but he's just saying how he always make women feel, you know, he know that we fear them because he's big. So therefore he try to, you know, if he see you walking, he'll get over and, you know, like things like that. So I appreciate that, Thomas. That's nice of you. But yeah, guys, I'm just taking a walk. I'm actually almost done with my 2 miles. Guys, I'm going to have to spruce this up a little bit more, get back on my A game as far as lifting my weights and stuff like that. I used to really be on it. And I really think I need to get back into it. So, guys, if you have not went outside today at all, just go outside and get you some air. I don't know. Well, we had rain here. I know someone said in the comments yesterday's video that they've had a lot of rain. Yesterday we had a lot of rain, but I'm glad I was able to get out and walk, you know, earlier in the day. And then like now, it's around, it may be around 2:20 p.m. and I'm getting it over with. So yeah, I just wanted to say, get out and get you some exercise, you guys, and I'll see you guys a little bit later, okay? Sorry, the camera is like a little shaky, but I am using my hand. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you. Yeah, look at this mess. Would you quit? Come back. What I fixed for dinner, you guys, we got some cabbage, asparagus, and something I never really tried before, but it's these, like, let me see, turkey cutlets or something like that, chicken cutlets from Gardein. Yeah, so that's dinner. You trying to feed yourself? Mari? Are you trying to feed yourself? Can't do it?
Yes, he can.
Well, help him.
Huh?
Help him. He's like, are you going to help me or what?
No. I don't like my big chicken. I like the baby chicken. What?
This is eat what you can. You taste it first and see how you like it. What did you say?
Papa, Papa got
How
a
y'all
new.
doing today?
I got a new phone.
Y'all all right?
Papa got a new phone.
Really?
Yep, I do. I do have a new phone now. Now look, I got my new phone now. Now look.
Food was good.
Papa.
You better get it before you be hiding it.
Come here.
That's my new phone.
Come here.
My new phone. My new phone. My new phone. Sticky here. It's
Mari, can you say
not-
bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Here.
He gonna
Here.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye. Okay, here. Say bye-bye. Look right here.
Papa,
Now,
somebody
what is
put
all
your
these kids
chicken
that wanna
here.
eat?
You
I
better
enjoyed
drink all
the
that
meal,
juice.
so I'll see you guys next week. Happy Sunday.
You come.
Hey guys, it's looking good. We got it all sanded down. Look at that. Big difference, isn't it? Very big difference. So yes, we're gonna get the mirror to go up here, and I think we're gonna do this the sides too, guys. The inlay on the sides. It came out really good. We got it sanded down to the bare minimum. So let me know if you guys like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Night. Thank you guys for watching us today. Please take care and have a blessed night and a wonderful day.